Welcome to House Lux Estate, your source for all things luxurious and interesting. Today, we're diving into a topic that will rev up your curiosity. We're going to explore the fascinating world of the car industry, a realm that marries technology, design, and the relentless pursuit of speed. It's an industry that has shaped the world in ways that we often overlook, and yet it's an integral part of our daily lives. From the roar of a combustion engine to the silent hum of an electric motor, cars encapsulate the human spirit of innovation and our never-ending quest for progress. But how much do you really know about this industry that's always in the fast lane? Well, today we're shifting gears and taking a closer look. We're going to share with you 10 things you probably didn't know about the car industry. So buckle up as we take you through a journey of discovery and intrigue. First off, let's take a pit stop at the beginning. The birth of the car industry. It all started in Germany around the late 19th century with a man named Carl Benz. Benz was a mechanical engineer who had a vision of creating a self-propelled vehicle, a horseless carriage if you will. He achieved this dream in 1885 when he presented the world with the motor wagon, the first patented automobile. This three-wheeled vehicle was powered by an internal combustion engine, a revolutionary technology at the time. Benz's invention sparked a wave of innovation that led to the development of more complex and efficient automobiles. It was the catalyst that drove the birth of an industry that would forever change the way we travel and live. And that's how our journey begins, with the birth of the first car, the seed from which the mighty tree of the automobile industry grew, branching out into the vast, complex network we know today. Next up, we're charging ahead to the rise of electric cars. It's a revolution that's been silently building momentum, and now it's ready to shift gears. Electric cars, once a futuristic dream, are now a reality, increasingly dotting our roads and highways. These silent runners have been gaining popularity, not just for their eco-friendly credentials, but also for their performance, reliability, and lower operating costs. They're not just making waves in the consumer market either. Major manufacturers are investing billions, racing to develop new models, and fueling a seismic shift in the industry. This electric revolution is not only transforming our streets, but it's also transforming the industry. It's a surge of innovation, a jolt to competition, and a spark to our imagination about what the future of mobility could look like. With the rise of electric cars, the industry is certainly sparking up some excitement. Now let's shift gears and look at the role of technology in the car industry. Technology, without a doubt, is changing the way we drive and experience cars. It's like we're living in a science fiction novel, isn't it? From autonomous driving to smart features, cars are evolving into high-tech pieces of machinery. Take autonomous driving, for example. It's not just a dream anymore. Companies are testing self-driving cars on the road today, paving the way for a future where human drivers might be optional. And let's not forget those smart features. Ever thought you could talk to your car, ask it for directions, or even have it park itself? Well, that's our reality now. These advancements are not just making our rides more comfortable, they're making them safer too. With features like automatic braking and lane keeping assist, technology is helping us avoid accidents and save lives. With these technological advancements, cars are becoming more than just a mode of transport. Let's steer towards the impact of regulations on the car industry. It's no secret that the rules of the road aren't just for drivers. They significantly influence the car industry's direction. Take emission standards, for instance. These regulations have been a driving force behind the shift to more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles. The pressure to reduce the carbon footprint has even given rise to an entirely new breed of electric cars. And it's not just about the environment. Safety regulations have also played a pivotal role. They've paved the way for advancements like seatbelts, airbags, and more sophisticated features like automatic emergency braking. Even design and manufacturing processes aren't immune to the regulatory touch. They've had to evolve to meet standards for quality, safety, and sustainability. So, whether it's a push towards greener solutions, safer vehicles, or superior quality, it's clear that the rules of the road extend far beyond the asphalt. Regulations, it seems, have a significant impact on the road the car industry takes. Now, let's cruise towards the biggest players in the car industry. When we talk about heavyweights, the name that roars loudest is Toyota. This Japanese giant, renowned for its quality and durability, has been the world's largest car manufacturer several times over the past few decades. Not far behind, we have Volkswagen Group, the German powerhouse, which houses brands like Audi, Porsche, and of course, Volkswagen itself. Their influence spans across continents, shaping the way we view luxury and performance in automobiles. Let's not forget the American titans, General Motors and Ford. Their enduring impact is seen in every corner of the industry, from the humble family sedan to the high-performance sports car, and then there's the new kid on the block, Tesla. Spearheading the electric revolution, Tesla has shaken up the industry with its innovative technology and charismatic leadership. These giants of the industry certainly drive a lot of the trends we see. Next, let's accelerate towards the most expensive cars in the world. These automotive marvels are the epitome of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. They're not just vehicles, but rolling works of art, feats of engineering, and symbols of human ingenuity. Take the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, for instance. This one-off vehicle is the most expensive new car ever made, and it's as much a grand tourer as it is a sculpture. With a price tag of almost $19 million, it's a testament to Bugatti's rich heritage and unparalleled craftsmanship. Then there's the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, a bespoke beauty that harks back to the golden age of coach building. The Sweptail, priced at around $13 million, is a testament to the bespoke nature of Rolls-Royce, where every detail is meticulously crafted to the buyer's specifications. But what really sets these cars apart isn't just their steep price tag. It's the perfect blend of heritage, technology, design, and exclusivity. These cars certainly come with a hefty price tag, but they offer unparalleled luxury and performance. Now let's speed towards the future of the car industry. Imagine a world where the sky is dotted with cars zipping between skyscrapers, a world where electric vehicles are the norm, not the exception. The car industry is racing towards a future where flying cars are no longer just a concept from science fiction. Companies like Uber and Airbus are already investing in aerial taxi services, and it's only a matter of time before this becomes a reality. In addition, we can expect further advancements in electric vehicles. With increasing pressure to reduce carbon emissions, car manufacturers are focusing on creating more efficient and affordable electric cars. Battery technology is improving, and charging infrastructure is expanding, making electric vehicles more accessible than ever. Self-driving technology is another frontier that the car industry is exploring. Imagine hopping into a car, setting your destination, and then sitting back to enjoy the ride. The future of the car industry looks fast and furious, and we can't wait to see where it takes us. Let's break for a moment and consider the role of the car industry in the economy. This sector is not only about shiny new models rolling off the production line, it's a massive economic powerhouse, revving up economies around the globe. Manufacturing, sales, repairs, and the vast supply chain involved in creating each vehicle. These all contribute significantly to job creation. It's estimated that the car industry supports millions of jobs worldwide, directly and indirectly. Then there's the contribution to gross domestic product, or GDP. The car industry is a major player, accounting for a significant slice of national GDPs around the world. And it doesn't stop there. Think about the taxes generated from car sales, fuel, and other associated costs. These are crucial for funding public services. The car industry, it seems, is a key engine of our economy. And there you have it, 10 things you didn't know about the car industry. We've journeyed from the industry's humble beginnings, charted the electrifying rise of electric cars, and explored the pivotal role of technology in shaping the industry's evolution. We've also delved into the impact of regulations and highlighted some of the world's biggest car manufacturers. We've marveled at the most expensive cars and pondered the future of this influential industry. Finally, we've looked at the significant role the car industry plays in our global economy. Each of these points underscores the importance and complexity of the car industry, an industry that continues to shape our world in unexpected and fascinating ways. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have, and that it's given you a newfound appreciation for the world of cars. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more fascinating insights. Drive safe!